Hello student, this is session 2 of lesson 8 temperate grasslands of social studies. Today we should discuss about animal life. Animal life. Different grasslands of the world support different kinds of animals. Some of the large animals found in the northern hemisphere are cougar, bison, grizzly bear. Some ferocious animals such as wolves are also found here. In the southern hemisphere, reptiles like anaconda are found. In Africa, aardvark, African wildcat, African elephant, buffalo, Cape hunting dog, and zebra are found in the African velds. In Australia, dingo, kangaroo, wallaby, and sheep are found in Australian downs. In North America, black-footed ferret and bisons are found in North American prairies. In South America, fox, tapir, and puma are found in the South American pampas. In Eurasia, golden pigeon, leopard, snow leopard, vole, and falcon, the bird of prey, are found in Eurasia. Our next topic is farming. The soil in temperate zone is dark and fertile. In the prairies of North America, crops such as wheat, barley, flax, and oats are grown. This area is also known as granary of the world because this area supply the grains all over the world. In these grasslands, special grasses such as alfalfa and clover are grown as fodder for animals. Grassland ecosystem contribute to the global meat and grain production. Humans have utilized this ecosystem for thousands of years. Our next topic is industries. Many minerals are found in some parts of the prairies, the pampas, and the velds. Lignite is the most inferior quality of coal, and mineral oil are mined in large quantities here. Ore extracting factories and oil refineries have also been developed here. The most important industry in grassland इज़ द मीट पैकिंग इंडस्ट्री। सबसे जो महत्वपूर्ण सबसे जो मुख्य इंडस्ट्री है यहाँ की वो है मीट पैकिंग इंडस्ट्री। गोल्ड एंड डायमंड माइंस आर फेमस इन वेल्स रीजन ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका। टुडे ग्रासलैंड्स फेस मैनी इश्यूज सच एज ओवरग्रेजिंग। ओवरग्रेजिंग मीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा जानवरों को यहाँ पे चराया गया। अर्बन डेवलपमेंट, साथ में एग्रीकल्चर लैंड है, वहाँ पर अर्बन डेवलपमेंट शहरों का विकास हुआ। एग्रीकल्चरल एनक्रोचमेंट, उसके बाद एग्रीकल्चर लैंड है उसको एनक्रोचमेंट उसमें हुआ। वी शुड प्रोटेक्ट दिस इकोसिस्टम एंड मेंटेन अ healthy balance in nature. Now, our next topic is human life. The farmers who live in these grasslands are well off. They have huge farms. They own many efficient farm machines to help them cultivate their vast farms. All the work, such as plowing, sowing, harvesting, and threshing, is done by machine. The storing of food grains in the silos is also done by machines. Only a few workers are required to cultivate 1,000 hectares of land since every work is done by modern machines. यहाँ पर फॉर्म बड़े बड़े हैं और मैक्सिमम काम जो है वो मशीनों के द्वारा होता है। Life on these vast farms is very difficult because of the harsh climate. On every farm, there are small homesteads. Laborers who work on the farm also live near the homestead. An average farm here is spread over thousands of hectares. There are separate sheds for farms, animals, and machineries. People living in grasslands are continuously trying to improve their lifestyle with scientific discoveries and new technologies. However, climate still controls their activity. क्लाइमेट ज़रूर यहाँ का हैश है, बट यहाँ के लोगों ने सदा ही लगातार अपने विकास के लिए अग्रसर हुए हैं. नाउ दिस चैप्टर इज़ फिनिश्ड. Students, this lesson is finished. I will give you the exercises in your WhatsApp group and question answers in homework. All of you do the map skill also. On an outline of the world map, mark and label prairies, pampas, velds, steppes, and downs. All of you complete your work and show your copy on your WhatsApp group. Thank you. Bye.